If you feel behind on AI, I'll save you some time. It's almost never the tool. It's that you're trying to learn it instead of just using it. You're doing the homework. You don't need the homework. 3 years ago, the only thing that I used ChatGPT for was writing emails. That was it. Today, I build my own software with this stuff. Tools I use every day that didn't exist until I made them. And I want to be clear about that because it matters. I'm not a developer. I never sat down and learned code. Every step from there to here started the same dumb way. I took something I already had to do and didn't want to do, and I handed it to the AI first. So here's what I want to do today. Show you the difference between learning this and using it, because that's the whole thing. Then show you the exact first move I made, the boring one. Then give you the one task you need to do this week. 3 things. The trap. Learning mode feels productive, but it isn't. Learning mode is bookmarking the course, saving that prompt pack, telling yourself you'll really sit down with it this weekend. I did all of that. I had a folder of stuff. I was going to get to it. You know what that folder did for me? Nothing. Collecting isn't using. The tool doesn't do a single thing until you point it at real work. So the tip is small, and it's the whole point. Stop collecting. You already know enough to start. You've known enough for a year. Second, what I actually did, I had 30 emails to write for an event. 30. I hated it. So I did one smart thing. Back then, mostly out of laziness. I made the AI take the first pass. I told it what the event was, who it was for, and I let it write the rough version. Then I fixed it. That was the whole move. No prompt tricks, no agents, no system. Just here's the thing I don't want to do. You go first. And it worked well enough that I did it again the next week with something else. That's where all of it started, right there. So the tip, pick the task. One real thing you have to do this week that you're already dreading. Hand it that. Quick thing, since I'm going to keep doing these, this is the first one. I'm walking the whole climb. Every step from those emails to building tools. One move at a time. If that's your speed, follow along so the next one finds you. That's the only ask. So back to it. Third, and this is the part people skip. The thing you hate. Not the fun thing, the dreaded one. 2 reasons. 1, you already know what good looks like. I've written enough emails to spot a bad one in 2 seconds. So fixing the AI's first pass is fast. You're not learning a new skill. You're editing. 2, there's no risk in it. It's a draft you were going to grind out anyway. If it comes back bad, you delete it. And you're exactly where you started, minus the blank page. And the blank page was the thing actually stopping you in the first place. So don't pick something precious. Pick something you resent. Now, some of you are already arguing with me, and I can hear it. My work's too specific. It'll get it wrong. Good, let it get it wrong. You're not handing it the final. You're handing it the first pass. You're still the one in the chair. The AI writing a rough draft you fix in 5 minutes is not the AI doing your job. It's you skipping the worst part of your job. The starting. And the other one, isn't that kind of cheating? Cheating who? You still have to make it right. You just don't start from nothing. Nobody hands out medals for typing the first ugly draft yourself. So that's the first move. Quit trying to learn AI. Take that one task this week that you were dreading and make AI do it first. You'll fix what it gives you, and that's fine. That's the job. That one habit is the bottom of everything I've built since. Here's where it goes next. Once you start handing it real work, you're going to try to start getting fancy. You'll start hunting for the perfect way to word things, the magic prompt, and you'll waste a good amount of time on it because that whole game is over and not a lot of people are talking about it. But that's the next one. Stop trying to prompt it right. Just go and do it. Follow along, and I'll see you there.